Use this matrix, right? Reduce the row, reduce echelon form. And then we can do answer the questions, basically. Answer the questions below. Reduce this first. Okay, so what we will do first, we will just, for instance, divide the, okay, so yeah, let me just do this. So first, one obvious operation could be, okay, divide the row 2 by 2 and add it to row 3. And that will be 2, 8, 4. And this will all be 0, right? Because the second one is, okay, that's twice of that one. So this will be all 0. And I will also do negative 2 times R1 plus R2. That will reduce this to all 0 again. 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. So I just get one pivot. And then I have 2 free variables. So this guy right here and this guy right here, these are both free variables. Now let's just rewrite the equation. First of all, to get the basis for column space, we'll just get the first column, right? Because only first column contains a pivot. So the answer to this is just going to be the first column of the original matrix, which is 1, 2, negative 1, right? So that's just the basis, right? So basically column space is the span of this. And then geometric description of a column space, because you only have one, and this will just be a line, right? So because the column space is the span of this vector, which is a line. So this is a line in R3, a line passing through origin in R3. Okay, a basis for null space. To find a basis for null space, first I'm going to rewrite this equation here, which is x1 plus 2 times x3 equals 0. And then I can just here and then rewrite it. So let x be in a null space of A. So therefore x can be represented by x1, x2, x3, and x1 is this, x2 and x3. And then what I can do here is now just pull out the x2 first. That's negative 4, 1, 0. And then pull out the x3, so you will get negative 2, 0, 1. So therefore, the null space now is going to be the span of these two vectors. So a basis for null space is just going to be these two, right? So let me call this, okay, I'll just write it like this. Negative 4, 1, 0, negative 2, 0, 1. Okay, so therefore, this is a plane. So if it's a spanning with the two vectors in R3, so that's a plane. That's a plane in passing through origin in R3. And the basis for null space is just going to be this two vector, right? So these are the generating vectors. This will be a basis for the null space, basically. That's everything.